Kelley Hobart, and I'm here to show you how to knit the star stitch. And the star stitch pattern is started off by either a yarn over knit 3 or a knit 3 yarn over. So now the spot that I am on the pattern right now, it says yarn over, and then you knit 1, 2, 3. Then you take your first knit stitch that you knit and you pick it up with your left hand needle and pass it over the second and third stitches and off the needle. Let me show you one more time. Start with a yarn over and then knit 1, 2, 3. Take the first knit stitch in that series of 3 stitches you just knit and slip it over the other 2 stitches and off the needle. That is how you knit the star stitch.